I'm Lowell Krisher from Lusk, Wyoming on the 4-3 Ranch, and it's been an incredible breakthrough for me from someone who hasn't been to formal classrooms in my life. I've spent my entire working career just working, and it's been a breakthrough. The clouds have seriously parted. That's what I tell my wife, to understand how to make a ranch a business and how to get these things in the light. Personally, I can't sleep at night. My brain is just going wild. It's like, this is how this works. This is what I haven't known. I can tell you, these days have totally changed my outlook on life. It's so active. There's so many things that we're doing with our classmates, and I have to say I have such respect for my teammates at that table, and they have such varying experience levels. The classroom doesn't even seem like a classroom because I'm not just sitting there listening to some boring instructor. It pulls me in so much. It's so active. It's like being on the ranch in that your day's rolling, right? Yesterday, the first time I looked at my watch was after 4 o'clock, and I was like, oh wait, we ate lunch a while ago. I mean, it's like it is on the ranch. It's the challenge. We're moving, always moving. It's so interactive. We count our experience pretty high, right? I've been here, I've been there. I've punched cows at this place and that outfit. All this experience, all this knowledge, if we don't have the tools to put it to use, this is where my experience can be valuable, everyday, real life situations. This is the tools that I'm gonna use in this coming year to make an effect, to make a change, make an impact on this ranch.